Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by controlling the foundation, posture, and breath. Sit or stand tall, drop your shoulders, and inhale into your diaphragm for 4 counts. Exhale for 6. Once done, speak a line at about 60 to 70% of your usual speed. Slower gives your motor planning time. You'll notice tension ease and the voice becomes steadier. Make sure to keep the jaw loose and tongue relaxed. Starting here reduces pressure and primes the system for the next active technique. You now add fluency mechanics. Employ gentle onsets by initiating sound with a soft, breathy vowel and easing into consonants so muscles engage smoothly. Then, chunk your message into short phrases and insert half-second pauses to reset coordination. This prevents rush and builds consistency. Practice progressive lengthening. Begin with 1 to 2 words, then increase to 3 or 4, gradually moving toward full sentences. As you train, tactile awareness and timing improve. Make sure to monitor tension and deliberately relax between chunks. You finish by transferring skills into everyday use and building resilience. Start with low-pressure situations. Read aloud, then call a friend, then enter meetings. Use a discreet self-cue, a fingertip touch, to remind yourself to apply breath and gentle onsets when pressure builds. If a block occurs, stop, take 1 controlled diaphragmatic breath, and restart with a soft onset rather than pushing through. This prevents tension cycles. If progress stalls, record sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.